gonna go ahead and get started, and actually I'm headed to work, so we gotta make it quick. So I cleansed my skin already. Let's do my skincare really quick. Looking for my toner. I bought these reusable like makeup, you know, like the cotton pads you buy. I bought these because I go through so many of those, you know, cotton rounds. Me and my girls actually. And I thought I'd give these a try. And I like them. They're really soft. They're actually good. I use them for makeup removal and then to apply my toner. All right, so we have that. And gotta do our serum. I still have, or I'm not sure. I may upload it before this video, so it'll definitely be before or after this. One of the two. I will upload it. I spoke about it a couple videos back. I filmed a fall-winter skincare routine, and my battery was dead in my mic, so I didn't want to lose that footage, and I didn't want to record because then I feel like it wouldn't be genuine. I'm just going to keep the footage and then just do a voiceover. All right, and I'm at the end of the line of this Beauty Flash Balm by Clarins. That's my moisturizer for today. So we're going in with the Futurist Hydra Rescue Primer. This is a hydrating primer. It actually feels like a serum. It feels really good. But that's an Estee Lauder primer, so, and getting a little cooler weather, so I want to hydrate as much as possible. So we're just going to be trying out the new, all right, let's try this out. I'm excited to try this new foundation. I haven't had a new foundation in a while, but it is the Doublewear Sheer Longwear Makeup SPF 19. Okay, and I got the same color, 5N2 Amber Honey. I'm just gonna open this and then, ooh, it's liquidy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Color correct real quick. Shading around my lip. We don't like that. All right, let's try this out. Okay, so I'm not going to give like all the details away right now. We'll finish the makeup application and then I'll come back after work with the details. I will get a little bit more. How's it look so far to you guys? What do you think? How's the coverage look on your end? Do tell. All right, I'm gonna do my brows and come back after that. All right, brows are done. I'm gonna go ahead and blend in my concealer. Love this sponge. Looks so good. Contour, I'm just using this drugstore, the darkest color in Viori. Had to think what side I'm gonna put my part on. As always, I like to overlap my contour with my highlight. A little bit of blush. My go-to, Bronze by Giordano. A little bit of that, and we're gonna do a little bit of highlight out of this palette I've had forever. And I have a little bit of glow. Okay, I like to go back with my blender, press all that in, and now we just need a transition color. You know, just put a little bit of this bronze blush on my eyes. Just on my lid for a little bit of color. You know what? I haven't did this in a while. I'm gonna use a cream color eyeliner for my waterline. Open my eyes a little bit. I'm going in with my City Beauty Beyond Mascara. A little bit of that. Not too crazy on the lashes. Just something nice and natural. Okay, those lashes are nice. Okay. Filling my brows a little bit. Just lighten those a little bit. See the difference? How soft that is? I want to do a fall lippy. Let me look for a lippy and I'll be back. All right, for the lippy, I want to go dark. All right, so for my lippy, it is a Marc Wile color. All right, I'm gonna do my hair and then I'll be back. All right, I'm back, so I'm done with my hair, which won't fit in the frame, but this is the makeup and everything. I'm headed to work. Unfortunately, I am wearing a mask at work, so not sure what this is gonna do. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to work, and then once I come back, I'll give you guys all the details and everything on the foundation and, you know, what I think about it and all that. So I'll see you guys in a little while. All right, guys, so I am home from work. I've actually been home for a minute, just relaxing a little bit before I jump back into working, right? We all know this is a job. When you're invested in, you know, doing YouTube. Anyway, so I'm back home from work, and I did wear my mask today. There was some pulling up and pulling down, so I meant to keep my mask so you guys can see, but I didn't pull that out. Wanted to come on and show you guys how the foundation looks. Again, I did wear my mask and there was some pulling up and pulling down. But for the most part, I feel like this foundation still looks good. But other than that, you can still see the production of oils on my skin from the day. Let's see, what time did I do my foundation? I did my foundation. I had to be at work at 12:30, so I want to say I did my foundation around 11 o'clock, and it is currently 8:12, as you can see that, for this foundation. And we're just going to go over some benefits of this foundation if you guys are interested. Okay, so it is a 1 ounce foundation, which most foundations are a 1 ounce. It's really nice and sleek. Of course, if you are one that wears foundations, I think we will all agree pump works best. So as far as the design of the bottle, I would much prefer a pump. The price is $43, just as well as most of the other foundations. Let's see, it's a 12-hour work. The claim is to be 12-hour non-creasing, non-poring, oil-free, even skin tone, anti-pollution protection, sweat resistant, humidity resistant, no caking, no streaking, for all skin types. Of course, dermatologist tested, won't cause breakouts, won't clog pores, fragrance free, free of parabens, sulfate, oil, mineral oil, and it does not claim to be transfer proof or waterproof like the Doublewear, which you guys know Doublewear is one of my favorite foundations. I think I have about 5 or 6 foundations that Estee Lauder carries, so this is definitely one I will definitely continue to use. It is a very lightweight foundation. I'm not sure if any of you guys remember Doublewear Nude, but the formula is very similar to that. So I would say if you're looking for a lot of coverage, this is definitely not the foundation for you. For me, coverage is not a concern because as many times as I've stated, most of my coverage I put underneath my eyes with my concealer. So having a foundation that's light coverage, again, does not bother me. I will wear light coverage to full coverage, so that's not a concern for me because I usually only use one pump of foundation regardless of the formula. Got the same color that I have in my Doublewear, which is the 5N2 Amber Honey. So if you wear MAC, NC, like any 40 NC, I'm not sure what their color range is now, but 4 years ago, 5 years ago. So if you're anywhere like in the NC 40, I would probably say 46, 40, anywhere from 46 to 50, you can definitely wear this color and you can use me as a reference. Okay, looks like they have like 27, 28 shades that's available in this. Again, it is a sheer Longwear foundation. So I would definitely be adding this in my lineup of foundations. So that is it for this video. You guys, if you have any questions or comments, definitely drop those down below. Thank you guys for joining me for this Estee Lauder Longwear Foundation SPF 19. So thank you guys for joining me. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at LRHMAKEUP, and also on TikTok, LRHMAKEUP, and also my second handle on TikTok, which again is the handle that I like to have fun, do some duets, do a little lip syncing, a little bit of dancing. That is my _beauty over 40 handle. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear with confidence. Bye.